Hello guys, welcome back, welcome. Well, before we get into determining when a resistor is connected in series in parallel and deriving the formulas, I'd like to tell you now why we spoke about the nodes in the previous video. First, let me redraw one of the circuit we had previously to show you what I was talking about. Okay, now guys, here we're going to see the importance of why we had to stop studying the nodes in the previous node branches and the loop in the previous video. Well, in the previous video we had three nodes, okay? One which was here, another one which was here, and another one which was here. So now, when are two resistors said to be connected in series and in parallel? Okay, take a look at these two resistors. For example, you realize that okay, this is not that connects them, not so. They are connected only by this one node. Can you see that? Only this one node connects them, and they're not connected by any other resistor again, and no other nodes connect them. So this tells you that they are connected in series. And if this other part was not existing, the current coming would have been flowing in this direction, and it would have been the same current flowing through these two resistors. But now, even though these other components still present, the current will have to divide the values with different, but still they are connected in series due to the fact that they are connected to one node and no other nodes connect them. Okay, so this one thing that determines that they are in series. And another thing, taking a look at these two resistors in particular, you realize that this node connect them. You see, this whole node here connect them, and they are connected again by this node here. Can you see that? So, due to the fact that they are connected by two same nodes, the matter amount can conclude from there that they are in parallel. And again, if current was come in this direction, it will have to divide. In the next video, we're going to talk about the current divider and the voltage divider rule. So they will have to divide, some flowing in direction, some flowing to the other, going the other way. That is one of the laws given by Kirchhoff. In the next video, we're going to talk more about it.